In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install Norton 360 on Windows 8. Open your web browser. Type symantec.com. On the following web page, move your mouse to Downloads and choose Free Trial Norton 360 in the pop-up menu. On the next web page, press Download Free Trial. Save the file on your hard drive. Double-click on the downloaded file to launch the setup. In the following window, press Agree and Install. Wait until the installation process is complete. On the next window, press Explore Norton 360. In the following window, enter your email address to complete your activation, and then press Next. In the following window, create your Norton account by filling up the form. When it's done, press Next. When you see Activation and Registration Complete, press Finished. Now you can use your Norton 360.